Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl here from Miss Breezy, and you are welcome to the channel. Oh yeah, come and show your face for peace to reign. Show your face for peace to reign. Show your face, say hello. Oh yeah, for peace to reign, say hello. Say hello now, don't keep quiet oh. You need to talk oh. Eh? You must talk oh. You must talk because you cannot just It's just a vlog. I just came back home. Yeah, I was not at home since. I went to get some stuff from the supermarket, and from there I have something to unbox with you guys. Yeah, I've already unboxed it before. If I say I'm not unboxing it, that is a big black lie. Big fat lie. I've already unboxed it, but I just want to show you guys. And while showing you guys, I want to like say some things seriously. For the past few weeks, for the past few days, let me say inside last week, you see me, I'm not posting. If you open the box, this is how it look. Is a mic. Yeah, I bought a mic for vlogging because the mic I have is like, it's the one that has rope. It has rope, so if I'm vlogging around the house, I can't just be walking around with that. It's going to like somehow it's not good. So I just bought this, and I got it this morning. I got it from store when I went to store. Yeah, I'm still going back to store, but I just came back to pick up Owen. I came to carry Owen because I didn't go with Owen before. I went for an appointment, and this morning it was really cold, so I said I will come back to carry him. So I want to like make this video at home real quick before I go to store. This is it. This is what I got. This is the mic. It's a Boya mic here. So you guys have been seeing me for the past few days now. Like I've not been posting as normal, as regular as I'm supposed to post. The truth is that YouTube sometimes is really not motivating me anymore. I don't know why, but YouTube is not just motivating. For now, nothing is just motivating me on this YouTube. After you stress all the stress to make a video, you edit, you upload, all those kind of things. This is the wire that come with it, and all those kind of things. At the end, you post that video. Guys, I don't know, but it's really not encouraging at all. It's not encouraging. So I've just decided to take some break. Not some break, I didn't want to take some break, but sometimes if I just stand up to pick up my camera, I think this is going to be here. Yeah, I think so. Can you just imagine this boy? He have already cut it with his teeth. What will I do to this boy? It always just cut this with his teeth. Like this boy, I don't know what I will do to him. This YouTube is not just really encouraging at all. I'm just getting tired of everything each day that passes by. I don't know how it's done. Okay, I think it's like this. Yeah, I think this is the mic, guys. So what is it? This is the mic. It came with two rope. This is the two wire that came with it. But I'm going to be testing it right now with my camera. So right now, this is how it's looking. This is the view. Yeah. Yeah guys, it's working, but I don't really know the quality of this mic yet. But sometimes if I'm vlogging around the house, like the noise is kind of much, so that's why I got the mic in case I need it in case. Definitely, I know I'm going to be needing it once in a while. Most of my videos are vlogs, so I'm going to be needing it not once in a while. Most of my videos are vlog, most especially when I go out for vlogging and the noise is just much. Sometimes I use voiceover. You guys can see that, right? I believe with this mic this mic will help. That's what I think, but not till we test it anyway. Yeah, till we test it, that's when we are going to know if it's going to help or not. So guys, like I was saying, seriously, this YouTube is just discouraging me. YouTube is giving me a hard time, like algorithm, where are you, darling? I'm going to store today. I'm thinking of going to store, but the way it is now, it's 1 o'clock, and I'm going to church in the evening as well. We have evening service today. I don't even know if I'm going to store yet, seriously. Where I want to go and do something. I'm going to cut a place where they call Cutting Glass. It's a big shopping mall. Yeah, I want to go there. I want to go and do a card there, like a card to other things online. I don't want to be using my bank card anymore to other things because scammers are everywhere. So I don't want to be using my bank card. So I want to go and do a separate card. I do have a separate card before, but I lost the card, and now I want to go and do a new one. So I'll take you guys along, okay?
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back again to the channel. Yeah, this is the next day of this vlog, and yesterday I told you guys I was going somewhere. Yeah, I went somewhere, but I could not vlog there. Like, I didn't even have the Z to bring out my phone because I didn't take my camera along with me. I didn't even have the Z. I didn't have the strength to bring out my phone to record. I didn't have that strength to bring out my phone to record at all, so I didn't record there. I just want to end this vlog now. Yeah, today is Tuesday, and they sent me a message that we don't have class today. I myself, I didn't even remember that I was going to class today because I was not ready to go to class at all. My hair is really rough. You can see it. Please don't judge. My hair is really rough and I want to retouch my hair. My friend is coming over today to help me retouch it. Yeah, so this is me wanting to end this vlog. I want to just end this vlog. That is why I just said let me pick up my camera. I can't just tell my people I'm going somewhere and the next thing is that they saw the video has ended. It's not fair. So guys, this is going to be the end of the vlog. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. English. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do consider subscribing. Hit the bell notification and give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemy. In fact, share it with everybody. According to Glue with me, share it with your grandpapa when they grave. I don't feel laugh. Oh, that lady no kill me with laugh. Share it with your grandpapa when they grave. Share this video, okay? Guys, please support our channel. Support us. We are trying. We are doing all our best. Not be our fault say we never blow. Not be our fault say we not be celebrity. I know say if not celebrity, if celebrity do anything, you guys is going to like do anything to make sure you watch that video. But as we now, we not be celebrity. Why now? Mona support us. Mona support our ministry. Okay. So guys, this is going to be the end of this vlog, and see you all in my next video. For now, bye bye.